Hi, and thanks for tuning in with Cooking with Laura. Today we are going to make chocolate chai pudding. So you're going to need a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Put it in a blender. 6 tablespoons of chai seeds. 1/4 of a cup of maple syrup or honey. 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, and then, of course, vanilla. You want 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're going to start it on low and then progress it to high. We want to make sure that all the chai seeds are completely dissolved and it's nice and smooth and thick. So we'll start it on low and we'll blend it together. Okay. And then you can eat it right away, or you can pop it in the fridge about 3 to 4 hours, and that'll make it nice and cold and a little thicker. And then adding some berries on top, and there you go. Thank you.